Hey lads, how you doing? It's Imad here, back with another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna write a program to search for the values characters like A, E, I, O, U. So I'm gonna allow the user to input any sentence and then and then count the characters of the sentence and then create a for loop to search for the values characters and then return to the user the number of the values characters. So I'm gonna switch it to the computer and show you how to do that. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, let's just create new object here, and I just include the string here. You must include this library to be able to use the Getline. What I mean by Getline is I need to get the user input, right? If we use only cin, it's gonna only take only one word. But in this situation, we need to get the whole sentence. So you must use the function called getLine. So to be able to use the getLine, you have to include the string library. So I'm gonna ask the user to input a sentence and then take the user input. So cout enter sentence. And then we can take the user input. So cm user input. And we can declare it here as a string. So string user input. Now all I did just prompting the user to input a sentence. So I just said I used the cin. This cin only takes one word. So I need to use the get line. So get line, that's the way written. So get line open close bracket. So inside these brackets I need to pass in the cin, comma, and where do you want to store the cin, which is the user input. So user input, and I don't need the cin here anymore. So in this way you can get, it's gonna take the whole sentence. Now I need to create a for loop to search for vowels characters. So for loop int and start from 0, and then I need to know how many times you want to loop because I'm not sure how long the sentence is. So to do that I need to say int to get the user input length. So let's say string length equals to user input. I'm gonna pass the user input here dot, and as you can see it appears here all functions you can use. So I'm gonna use the length open close bracket. That means just get the user input and count how many characters in the user input and set the number of characters to the string length. Now I'm gonna pass the string length here. So it starts from 0 and then check if the I less than the string length, let's say 5, 10, whatever. So string length. Now I need to use the if statement to check for each character. So if user input, now I need to use the square bracket here, and inside the square bracket I'm gonna pass the I because I need to search for each character, not each word or each sentence, each character. If that equals to, I'm gonna use this single quotation, not a double quotation, the single quotation. I'm gonna pass the A here. So if the user input contains A or this operator means or user input same thing equals to, let's say A E. I'm gonna copy and paste these just to save time. Okay, I'm missing somewhere here. Yeah. Okay, if A, E, I, U, and O, and we don't need that anymore. Now, if the user input, which is a sentence, contains any number of these, then increase the counter by 1. I'm going to create the counter, so counter plus plus. I'm going to declare the counter here, so it's int counter, set that to 0. If the user input contains any letters, then increase the counter by 1. Once that finished, display how many vowels that sentence contains. So cout, so number of vowels are, I'm gonna pass the counter here and enter. Now let's go over that again. So I declare the string user input and then create a counter and set that to 0, asking the user to input a sentence, and then get the user input, which is the user sentence, how many characters in that sentence, and set that to the string length to be able to loop. So inside the for loop, I create if statement to check if the sentence contains any letters of these. If that's true, then increase the counter by 1. Once that finished, display a message and the number of the counter. So let's run that and see. Enter a sentence. Let's say my name is Eamon. As you can see, number of vowels are 5. Well, let's check that. So MYN, that's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5. It works. But let's say I used a capital letter, so my name is Eamon. As you can see, number of vowels are 0 because I used a capital letters. So to solve this problem, I need to copy these here, all that, copy it and paste it here, and change that to capital letter. Sorry, capital letter, yeah, E, I, and the U, and the O. That should work with no problems. So sorry, I use capital letters. My name is Emad. As you can see, I get the same results. So what if I used capital letters and small letters? So my is Emad. As you can see, I used the capital letters and small letters, and then I get the same results. So this is the way if you want to use the Getline and search for specific letters or any specific data you want. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the videos, and leave your comment below and your thought about the video. And I'll see you with another one. Stay home, stay safe.